Hi everyone, this is the left-handed shooter. Today we're going to take a look at this AR15 multi-tool. This is a thing I just picked up the other day. It's from Real Avid. It's the gun tool AMP AR15 multi-tool 3-in-1, and it comes in this package right here. And let's take a look at this thing here. And what this is this is the holster for this thing. And it comes out here. And here's your main tool. What it has here, it's got has a knife on here, Tanto blade. And it's got some scraping tools, scraping carbide. Also, this has like a firing pin retaining puller and some other bits on here you can use. Let's see here. Right here, it's got a scraper. It's got a carrier scraper, firing pin scraper. It has a back here, this is also the 12 bolt group scraper. And on here, let's see. On this guy on here, let's see, where the heck is that? This is a stainless steel. Okay, it has a stainless steel locking plate. Also on this knife here, let's see here. Oh, they're locked in right here. Okay. How's the sucker locking in? Oh, it locks in right here. What the heck am I doing wrong here? Oh, okay. There it is. Here's the locking mechanism back here. It's like finding how you release. I just got this thing, so I'm trying to figure out how this thing actually works. There's the release on it. So when this comes in, I had it like that. When there, it locks right there. It locks up actually pretty good. Same thing with this guy. She'll lock in on this side. Your Tanto blade. She'll lock in here right there. Let's see. And it's got a couple of tools back. Let's see here. Where are they at? Has a bolt carrier override tool. Where the heck is that thing at? Right here. This is the takedown punch. It locks into. And let's see, I know there's another tool in here. There it is. This is the bolt override tool. So if you're needing to, work on your AR-15 and you totally want to clean it up and get all the carbon and stuff, this is the tool for it. And here's the carrying case. Comes in this carrying case. This locks in, and then you have all these other tools. These are all magnetic. Fit right in there. see what else is on here. And then when you're, okay, I see what you gotta do. Clip that. That clicks in. Now she's locked. Now she's locked in. And also, right here has a belt clip. Click it on MOLLE, or in your, or you just throw this thing in your range bag. But anyways, I picked this thing up. You can get these things. I got this thing. I actually got it from their website. I actually bought it from Real Avid. I tried finding this one on Amazon. I couldn't find it, so I actually went to the Real Avid website and bought it from there. It's like $69. And here's the packaging if you guys want to take a look. See everything on it. And this thing, I'll give you some specs on it. This thing is not light. It's hang on one second. Let me grab my scale. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay, this whole thing together, it's like 12.5 ounces with the holster, and this thing alone is 6.2, and it's 6.4. So it's not some super light thing. Let's go here too. Dimensions on this whole unit. Let's see. About 5.5 inches long, coming in at about inch and 3/4 wide. It's about 1.5 inches. It's right there. Anyways, that's just a quick look. If you're looking at something, something to help clean your AR, and something to throw in your range bag, something small, something to keep on you, here you go. It's by Real Avid. And remember to like, subscribe, share, and also, let's go, Brandon. Talk to you guys later.